Hi guys, this is our introduction to our first online dance lesson. What we're going to do today is hopefully you're going to be able to learn the first part of a motif, which I'm going to try and demonstrate for you. You're going to create 3 starting poses for the beginning of the dance, and then at the end of the session we want you to write a small personal what went well and how to improve and submit it to your class teacher via Show My Homework. So the dance that we're going to be doing is based on Hairspray. I'm going to teach you the first part of the motif for today's lesson. The next lesson you'll learn the second part of the motif, and then we'll go on to hopefully creating some of our own bits to add onto that as well. So for the first part of this lesson, you'll remember in our learning intentions that we said you had to come up with 3 start poses. Okay, I'm going to play you the music in a minute and I'm going to give you some very simple examples as to what you do. I'm sure that you guys will probably be able to come up with some better dance poses than I can, because obviously you know my dancing skills are a little bit limited. Okay, so I'm going to play you music and it'll be quite obvious where you have to come up with the 3 poses. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to talk you through the next part of the dance. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so coming up pose 1, now, and pose 2, and pose 3.
Yep.
Okay, so now myself and Miss Rosencraft are going to have a go at trying to demonstrate what the dance should look like up to where we're going to teach it to today. Please forgive us, we are not the best dancers in the world, but we're going to give it a go. And we've made it quite simple, A, so that we can do it, and B, so that all of you can learn how to do it. So, you ready?
I am ready. Are you ready?
Ready as a lovely. Okay, so ready for your first 3 poses. 1, 2, 3.
You can't stop me now, like she's a breeze down the hill. You can try to stop the seasons, girl, but you know you never will. And you can try to stop my dancing feet, but I just cannot sit still. 'Cause I want to feel
Okay, so we're going to break it down now into each move at a time so that you can hopefully pick it up. So you've done your 3 poses, okay, and then you wait. And the first movement you're going to do is you're going to do counting 4s, and it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we'll try that again. So you've done your 3 poses. It's then 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From there, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your first 8 beats. Okay, do it again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adding the next bit on, okay, it's 1 quick slide and 1 slow side, and then 1 quick slide and 1 slow side out to the side. So you're going to be facing this way, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, it then goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll do that bit again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From that bit, okay, we're going to jump to the side. It's quite a quick step. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, but with that you're going to add some arms. Okay, we're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, exactly the same steps again, but this time arms out here, arms down here. Okay, so we've got 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, exactly the same again, but this time our arms go here, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then for the last 4 beats, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so coming back from the slides, alright, we're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and the very last bit is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, to conclude our dance session today, What you need to do is you need to look at the clips of the videos where I broke the dance down for you, and then you need to revisit the first video where myself and Miss Wozencraft did a great job at demonstrating the dance to music, and try and put those bits to the music. Once you're happy that you've got all sections of the dance and you can do it to the music, then you need to be writing down your personal what went well and your how to improve, and submit it to us. So for me, for example, my what went well might be I managed to remember all the bits of movements and get them in the right place of the dance. My how to improve might be to add more expression to my dance once I've got rid of my concentration face. Okay, so submit those sentences on to show my homework once you've completed it. It should take you a while to learn. If you're better dancers than me or Miss Wozencraft, then feel free to add more to it if you want, in terms of expression or slightly more difficult